Here's what I wish somebody told me when I was diagnosed with chronic Lyme disease. 7 things, actually, that I want to share today. I was sick for over 20 years. Lyme disease, co-infection, parasites, mold, viruses, you name it. And I found a way out. And today I've been symptom-free for about 7 years. So let me show you what actually worked. And I'd like to save you from some of the common mistakes that most people dealing with Lyme make. I'm Dr. Christine Arsenault, otherwise known as Tina, by the way. I'm a pharmacist. I've been in healthcare for over 15 years. And in this video, I'm going to share what my blueprint includes to reversing chronic Lyme naturally. First off, conventional medicine was not enough, so I had to become my own best advocate. After years of dead ends in the medical system, I realized I had to take control of my healing, and that's when everything started to shift. So support from somebody who's been through it really makes all the difference. Our medical system is just not enough. Number 2, healing starts when you address what's out of alignment in your life. Chronic illness isn't random. It's often a signal that something deeper, maybe emotionally, energetically, or spiritually, is off course. Once I aligned with what my body truly needed, healing became possible. Number 3, you must strengthen your body's terrain, not just attack bugs. So instead of chasing every microbe, I focused on rebuilding my system from the inside out, my immune system, my detox pathways, building inner resilience, creating a body that no longer invited disease in. Number 4, there's a specific sequence to healing. And it matters. The order you treat things in matters. I didn't just throw everything at it at once. I followed a clear step-by-step approach. I addressed my parasympathetic nervous system early, drainage, detox, immune regulation, all of these things before I could even address the pathogens, and even the order of the pathogens mattered. Number 5, herbs and natural therapies worked better for me than antibiotics. Over time, I found that herbal protocols supported my body without the damage or resistance that antibiotics can cause. It's a more gentle way and a more effective way in the long run of healing. Number 6, chronic inflammation is the real fire to put out. I realized that infections are not the only issue. My body was stuck in an inflammatory loop. So calming that fire helps every other treatment become more effective. And lastly, number 7, your subconscious mind holds the keys to lasting healing. So one of the most powerful shifts came from working with the subconscious, becoming aware of a subconscious belief that was keeping me in these patterns of being sick. I created my Empowered Lyme Recovery Method so others could follow a proven path and regain their health quicker than trying to figure it out all on their own. So if you are looking for that accelerated path, today is the last day to apply for a call with me so we can see how my Empowered Lyme Recovery Method would work for you. If you want to see if it's a good fit, go ahead and click on the link in the comments below and apply for a call. Talk to you then.